Wish I looked this good when I was 15. This is VW Golf. This is the GTI, the hot hatch version, the granddaddy of them all. We love this here. Celebrating 50 years. Car for everybody, really. Nice sort of design, practical, safe. Get you and your mates in there, get to the shop, maybe have a bit of fun on Saturday night. It was great. People loved it, and it really was the saviour of VW. Let's have a look under the bonnet, shall we? So, what have we got here? This is the heart of the beast. The GTI version of the Golf. 0 to 60 in about 9 seconds and 110 horsepower, which is more than enough for the zipping around those B roads or maybe inside a city. Red line, anywhere between 6 and 7. So here we are, a little bit closer. 4-cylinder engine. Unlike today's modern cars, this unit here on our GTI and the standard Golf of the time, pretty easy to work on. Look, you get my hand all the way in, almost to the bottom of the car. The Golf was the replacement for its aging sister, the Beetle, got one just next door. Great styling. The stripes, of course, made it faster, of course. It was designed by an Italian called Giugiaro. You might know that name. It was famous for the DeLorean, the Esprit, and you might have owned one of these, a Fiat Punto. The Golf was a £10 million project for Volkswagen. They sold 6.7 million Mark 1s and then an additional 200,000 of the Jetta variant. So they knew they were onto a winner. You could also get it in as a cabriolet and also as a pickup, which was called a Caddy. The GTI was for many the best form the Golf took. Designed by a few people at Volkswagen, using spare bits harvested from Audi and from across the VW range. Our GTI, like all great GTIs, has this fantastic, iconic golf ball gear knob designed by Gunhild Liljeqvist. But all good things come to an end. After 50 years and 8 generations, Golf are ceasing production of its internal combustion engine legend, turning to electric. So if you want to own a piece of history, something that's safe, reliable, and a bit nice on those B roads, consider a Golf.